We start with 200 grams of broken cashew nuts. Pulse this in the grinder for 8 to 10 seconds. Then strain this cashew powder through a sieve. Do not grind the cashew for a longer time so that they do not release oil. Pulse these cashew pieces again till all the cashew is ground to a fine powder. For the sugar syrup, take 1 cup of water. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Now let it come to a boil on medium flame. Simmer it for around 2 to 3 minutes. You will get a 1-string syrup. To check, take a little bit of sugar syrup between your fingers, like this. Add in the cashew powder. Now carefully mix it in. Keep stirring and cook on low flame. Till it thickens and leaves the sides of the pan. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and empty onto a greased butter paper. Let it cool for around 1 to 2 minutes and then form into a smooth disc using your hands. Cover with a second sheet of butter paper. Gently roll it out into a rectangular shape. Keep turning the butter paper in between. Roll out to a thickness of 2 millimeters. Carefully peel the butter paper. Now you can apply some silver leaf on top, which is absolutely optional. Cut the sides to form a rough rectangle. Now cut vertically into strips of 1 to 1.5 inch. Cut diagonally at the same distance. Allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Your Kaju Katli is ready.